Today is moving day. So if you want to know more, stick around. Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. And this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. Now if you like that kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today I'm at my parents' house and I'm going to turn the camera around and see most of the stuff is done. You know, they have to cut in the sink and they still have the upper cabinets there that they need to move in. But the movers are coming today to bring the furniture in the house. So it's a good day that everything is being moved in. Everything is just about finished, you know, just here and there. Like the bar here needs to be changed. That's going to be the last thing they do. The bedrooms are all ready. The master bathroom, the countertop is not here yet. Of course, with everybody fixing things because of the storm here in Texas, pieces are short to find, so we're waiting on that piece. But what I love is my parents' bathroom. The shower, the walk-in shower is completed. So it is going to be really nice for my parents, and I'm happy that it is. So as moving progresses, I will bring you guys along and let you see as stuff is going. Now, we have about, I want to say 10, 15 boxes in the car of stuff that we ordered to decorate with. As that goes along, I will show you that process. Movers are getting the job done, guys. And these guys are quick and good. I will have the name of the moving company, Morris Moving Company. I'll have the information down below if you ever want to use these movers. I mean, they're quick to the detail. 2 hours. They were done in 2 hours, a little less than 2 hours when they moved us out. Now they're putting us back together again. Getting the big stuff in, baby. If you want to explore more, why don't you check out one of these videos I have listed here, and you be blessed.